Imagine a twig coming to life and crawling away. That's exactly what stick insects do. These masters of disguise are nature's ultimate illusionists. But there's so much more to these fascinating creatures than meets the eye. Let's dive into the world of stick insects and uncover their secrets. Stick insects, also known as walking sticks or phasmids, are truly remarkable creatures. Their most distinctive feature is their uncanny resemblance to twigs or branches. This incredible camouflage is their primary defense mechanism, allowing them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. The body of a stick insect is long and slender, perfectly mimicking the shape of a twig. Some species even have small bumps or protrusions that look like leaf buds or bark, further enhancing their disguise. These insects come in a variety of sizes, ranging from tiny species barely an inch long to giants that can reach up to 14 inches in length. Their coloration varies widely, from brown and green to more exotic hues like pink or blue, depending on the species and their habitat. Many stick insects have wings, though not all can fly. Some species have beautifully colored wings that they only reveal when threatened, creating a startling display to confuse predators. One of the most fascinating aspects of stick insects is their ability to regenerate lost limbs. If a leg is damaged or lost, they can regrow it during their next molt, although the regenerated limb may be slightly smaller than the original. When it comes to habitat, stick insects are primarily found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. They thrive in forests, woodlands, and areas with dense vegetation where their camouflage is most effective. These insects can be found on every continent except Antarctica, with the greatest diversity in Southeast Asia and South America. Stick insects are perfectly adapted to life among the trees and shrubs. They spend most of their time clinging to branches or leaves, often remaining motionless for hours on end. This stillness not only helps them avoid detection but also conserves energy. Some species are known to sway gently in the breeze, further mimicking the movement of twigs and leaves. In terms of their diet, stick insects are herbivores, feeding primarily on the leaves of the plants they inhabit. Different species have preferences for different types of foliage, with some being generalists that eat a variety of plants, while others are specialists that feed on only one or a few specific plant species. Their strong mandibles are well suited for chewing through tough leaves, and they have a remarkable ability to detoxify plant compounds that might be harmful to other insects. Interestingly, some stick insects have been observed engaging in a behavior called reflex bleeding. When threatened, this involves releasing a foul-smelling liquid from joints in their body, which can deter predators. It's just one of the many fascinating defense mechanisms these insects have developed. The behavior of stick insects is as intriguing as their appearance. They are primarily nocturnal, becoming active at night to feed and mate, while remaining still during the day to avoid detection. When it comes to movement, stick insects are surprisingly agile. They can climb with ease, using their long legs and sharp claws to grip onto branches and leaves securely. One of the most remarkable behaviors of stick insects is their method of reproduction. Many species are capable of parthenogenesis, a form of asexual reproduction where females can produce viable eggs without mating. This ability allows stick insect populations to thrive even when males are scarce. When sexual reproduction does occur, mating can last for several hours or even days. Female stick insects have another fascinating behavior related to egg. Instead of depositing their eggs in clusters, they often scatter them individually, flicking them away with a quick motion of their abdomen. This strategy helps to protect the eggs from predators and increases the chances of at least some offspring surviving. Despite their impressive camouflage and defensive strategies, stick insects still face numerous threats in the wild. Birds are one of their primary predators, with keen eyesight that can sometimes spot even the most well-disguised stick insect. Bats, which hunt at night when stick insects are most active, are another significant threat. Small mammals, like rodents, and even some primates, will also prey on stick insects if given the opportunity. Reptiles, particularly lizards and tree-dwelling snakes, pose a danger to stick insects as well. These predators share the same arboreal habitat and have the patience to wait for the slightest movement that might give away a stick insect's position. Perhaps surprisingly, other insects can also be enemies of stick insects. Praying mantises, with their lightning-fast reflexes and powerful forelegs, are skilled hunters of stick insects. Certain species of wasps parasitize stick insect eggs, laying their own eggs inside them. When the wasp larvae hatch, they consume the developing stick insect, using it as a food source. Human activity poses an indirect threat to stick insects as well. Habitat destruction through deforestation and urbanization reduces the available living space for these creatures. Additionally, the use of pesticides in agriculture can harm stick insect populations, even when they're not the intended target. In conclusion, stick insects are truly remarkable creatures that showcase the wonders of evolution and adaptation. From their incredible camouflage to their unique behaviors and reproductive strategies, they continue to fascinate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. As we learn more about these living twigs, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life in our forests and the importance of preserving these habitats for future generations to marvel at nature's